Do you ever wish Excel could just remember the steps you take and then do them for you? That's exactly what a macro does. And I feel like a lot of you may have heard of macros, but aren't necessarily sure exactly how to use them. In this video, I'll show you how to automate your spreadsheets and doesn't require any code whatsoever. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to enable my developer tab. This is the tab which contains macro. So File, Options, Customize ribbon, and I'm just going to check my developer tab. Okay. So within our developer tab here, we have our macros option. Today we'll be working with this simple sales table. Let's say every time we open it, we want it to look cleaner, more readable, maybe slightly styled, without doing it every single time manually. What is really cool about this is you can apply this macro to other tables within this file, which would save you a lot of time and repetition. So in my developer tab, I'm going to go to record macro, and I'm going to name this format table. So now this macro is recording. So while it's recording, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select our headers in this table and I'm going to make them bold. I'm going to autofill all of our columns. And I'm also going to change the fill color of the contents within our table, excluding the headers, to maybe just a light shade of grey. Everything I'm doing now, Excel is memorizing while our macro is recording, and it becomes our shortcut. So now what I'll do is I'll go back to our developer tab and I will select stop recording. So now what we're going to do is we're going to test it. We're going to clear every single change that we've made here while we were running our macro. Okay, cool. And I will also just make this back to the way it was. So now that we've everything cleared, I'm going to go back to my developer tab. I'm going to select macros and I'm going to select our format table macro. That's what we named it earlier. And I'll hit run. And as you can see, all of our formatting is done in one click. Macros are really useful when it comes to cleaning, formatting, filtering, anything that you need to repeat on a regular basis. And the best part about them is there's no coding, no complexity. All you have to do is press record and Excel does all the rest. Make sure to like, subscribe, if you wish to follow along for more Excel tips and shortcuts.